My dear students, different types of questions are given in this exercise. To solve those questions in short process, that is the time saving process, I have these three tricks. Trick 1, Ci minus Si for 2 years equal to Si of Si for 1 year. Trick 2, Ci minus Si for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. You know P is principal and R is rate of interest. And trick 3, Ci minus Si for 3 years equal to PR square into 300 plus R by 100 cube. These three are the tricks those I want to apply to solve few questions of this exercise. So I hope that will be very less time taking process, time saving process, and in mathematics you know this time is very important. If you solve the question following any shortcut process, you can save your time to solve the difficult questions. Let us solve some questions. At first, I want to apply trick number 3 that states Ci minus Si for 3 years equal to PR square into 300 plus R by 100 cube. This is the trick. Now, the question of this exercise 2.1. The question number of exercise 2.1, question number is 13. In question number 13, you see, find the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on rupees 20,000 at 12% per annum for 3 years, the CI being payable annually. We are asked to find the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Compound interest and simple interest for 3 years. So, the formula, the trick is written already, that is asked Ci, I repeat here, Ci minus Si for 3 years is equal to PR square, that I write here again, PR square 300 plus R by 100 cube. Put the values. P is rupees 20,000 and R is 12%. Here is R square, so 12 into 12, and this is 300 plus R means 12 by 100 cube. This is 100 cube, means 100 into 100 into 100. If we simplify this, then we can find Ci minus Si for 3 years in very short time. Let us see, follow it. Rupees 20,000 into 12 into 12 into 312 by 100 into 100 into 100 equal to how much? Here are 4 zeros, we cut this double zero cut, 4 zeros are cut already. Now we multiply this 12 to the 24 or we say 12 12 the 144 into 2, 288 into 312 by 100. Multiply this in rough place. 288 into 312 equal to 8 16, 17, 5, 8, 8, 2. This sum became 6, 8, 7, 15, 1, 5, 6, 8, 14, 4, 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 8. It became equal to 8, 9, 8, 5, 6 by 100. For this, we'll keep decimal after 2 digits counting from right hand side. So it became 898.56. This became the answer. So following few steps only we can get the answer. Obviously this is the time saving process. You practice more questions following this process to make the clear concept, and if you get this type of question in examination, you must apply this time saving process. One more question as I like to solve, that is question number 15. This question states that find the difference between the simple and the compound interest on rupees 5,000 invested for 3 years at 6% per annum interest payable yearly. So again, CI minus SI for 3 years is asked. We have written already. So we start from here. CI minus SI for 3 years equal to PR square. Principal is here 5,000 rupees, 5,000 R square. R is 6%, 6 into 6, and this became 300 plus 6 by 100 into 100 into 100. Come here to solve this. Rupees 5,000 into 6 into 6 into 306 by 100 into 100 into 100. Here are 000, cancel it. Now this 000 are left. I think you can cut it. 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Let it remain 100. It will help us to keep the decimal. It became, in rough calculation, 306 into 18. So this multiplication became 5508 by 100. So this difference between CI minus SI for 3 years equal to rupees 55.08. Now I am going to use our trick 2, second trick, that is CI minus SI for 2 years equal to PR square by 10,000. This is very easy to learn, and on the basis of this trick I want to solve one example that is given before exercise 2.1. That is given before exercise 2.1. This is example 9. In this question, find the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on rupees 9,500 invested at 8% per annum for 2 years, the compound interest being payable yearly. Difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years is asked. So we write CI minus SI for 2 years equal to, this is PR square by 10,000. Here principal is rupees 9,500. I write 9,500. R, rate of interest is 8%. There is R square, so we write 8 into 8 by 10,000. 10,000. So we calculate it, 00 and this 00 cancelled. 100 is left. Let it remain 100 as the denominator, because that 100 is very helpful to keep the decimal. Now in a rough calculation, 95 into 64, 4 5s are 20, 2 4 9s are 36 and 2 38, 6 5s are 33, 6 9s are 54 and 3 57. This became 10 5 equal to rupees 5080 by 100. So this became rupees 50.8, or you say 50.80. Sorry, here will be 6 in multiplication, here will be 6, here will be 6, so this became 60.80. So very time saving process. So you must apply this type of trick if you get the question related CI minus SI for 2 years. The last one was CI minus SI for 3 years, but this is CI minus SI for 2 years.